number of COVID-19 cases rise. This has some students at UNC Chapel Hill concerned about returning back to campus. CBS 17's Crystal Price spoke to some today that are worried that the right safety precautions aren't being taken.
Well, in just a couple of weeks, this university here in Chapel Hill will be filled with students. And tonight, some are wondering if the university is taking the right safety precautions when it comes to protecting the students from the virus.
Even if community standards are kept, that doesn't mean the virus will not be spread.
UNC graduate student Jalen Howard says he doesn't think students should be returning to campus just yet.
It seems to be worse now than it was when we left in March. How many students have to die in order for us to go remote?
He's concerned about how UNC's dorms will be filled at normal capacity and if there will be enough housekeepers to keep the dorms clean. He also says it's still not clear if students can opt out of taking these in-person classes and take them remotely instead.
Is it really important enough to return to campus just to threaten the lives of other people?
I reached out to UNC to get some answers, but I am still waiting to hear back about these particular concerns. On campus, you can see where the university is preparing the buildings for social distancing. Some doors are now one way only, and crews are busy putting up these signs to let students know. Hand sanitizer can also be found at the entrance of most buildings. And of course, masks will be required on campus. While Howard realizes it's likely too late for campus leaders to change their reopening plans, he's asking the university be prepared for the consequences that may arise if there is an outbreak on campus.
I would like people to understand what's at stake with students returning to campus, both in terms of finances, but also in terms of lives.
In Chapel Hill, Crystal Price, CBS 17 News.
Crystal, thank you. Now, a spokesperson with the UNC system says they have consulted with healthcare professionals about the best way to reopen UNC at Chapel Hill and all other universities across the state. They say they are taking all the necessary safety precautions.